Assembly of Patiowell 10x8 metal shed door. Make sure you have all the required accessories. Place the two door panels DLA.DLB on the floor. Align the holes of the two panels, and use F2 screws to group them together. Insert the accessory 20 at the top and bottom of the assembled door panel. After installation is completed, insert 2 reinforcement bars on the inner side of the door panel. Align the holes, and drive F1 screws for fixing. Align the holes on the inside of accessory 20, and drive in the F1 screws. Secure the accessory DH to the door panel and orient the hinges to ensure that the door opens in the correct direction by driving the F3 screws. Align the accessory DC with the holes on the top and bottom sides, and drive in the F1 screws. Then, on the outside of the left door panel, connect the accessory DF to the door panel by F4 screw set. Finally, align accessory 20 with the holes on the top and bottom of the outer side of the door panel, and fix it with the F1 screws and V2 washers. So far, the left side door panel is installed. Then we can assemble the right door with the same steps. Align accessory DG with the holes on the outside of the right door panel, and use the F4 screws for the assembly. In this way, both left and right door